Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Tracy.
And welcome back to our channel.
If you didn't know already, this channel is all about how to make amazing things out of everyday materials.
And today, we're going to be making something from milk bottles. The thing about milk bottle material is it's an amazing material, and there's all sorts of things that you can do with this. If you've seen our most recent sandwich box from milk bottle, then you'll know that you can cut it, you can twist it, you can create tabs, you can do quite a lot with the material itself.
Absolutely. One of the things that both girls have in their rooms at the moment is LED string lights.
So we're going to try and do a make where we turn this milk bottle into LED string lighting. So Tracy, what are we going to do?
Let's remake it.
That's the end of our video. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Please let us know in the comments down below what you thought of the video, and also if you have any suggestions for other things that you think we can make out of milk bottles or other materials.
And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. And also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our next videos.
And if you do any of the DIYs or makes from this channel and you do have Instagram, then please share in your story and tag us and we'll share on our story. Our Instagram is lets.remake.it.
Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you really soon. Until then,
bye.
Bye.